How to access and use Google Forms. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can access and use Google Forms. So in order to access Google Forms, you can open any web browser of your choice. Like I have opened Google Chrome. Now once you're inside the Google Chrome, you can simply click onto this Google Apps option just towards the left hand side of your profile picture. And once you will do this, you can simply scroll down and you will see forms. So simply click onto this forms and it will lead you to the Google Forms. Now if you are on any other web browser, simply go to the search bar and type in Google Forms. Now once you have typed in, hit the enter button, and then from here click on Google Forms sign in. The URL for the same is docs.google.com. So click on Google Form sign in and it will lead you to the same particular page. In order to create a new form, you can click onto this blank form or choose from a variety of different templates. I'll choose a blank form, and from here you can dismiss this, and from here you can title your form and add options and questions. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.